Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install YouTube TV on your Amazon Firestick device. So the YouTube TV is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download YouTube TV on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here YouTube TV. When you type YOU, the suggestion below YouTube TV. So scroll down and click on. Now as you can see black color YouTube TV app. So click on. Now click on download button. So here as you can see YouTube TV has been installed on our Amazon Firestick device. Now you open YouTube TV from here and also from home. So after installing YouTube TV, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Now click on apps, it means application. And here you will find all application that is installed on Firestick device. So if you want to open YouTube TV on Firestick device, then scroll down, you will find YouTube TV. So here is the YouTube TV app. Now click on. So if you have Gmail account, then click on sign in button and type here your Gmail and password. And you don't have a Gmail account, then first create your Gmail account and after that sign in YouTube TV on your Amazon Firestick device. So you can use this method to download YouTube TV on your Amazon Firestick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.